We are taking a look at the TRENDnet Crimping Tool, which can be used to crimp telephone plugs or Ethernet plugs, like the 8-pin RJ45, the side you will cut. And usually how I strip it, slide it through here, and they're just going to pull off. Going to check to see if any of the wires are missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's all good. Then of course you'll need like a boot and a cover. You'll slide the boot on, get rid of this middle piece we don't need. This cable is a CAT6 T-568B, so we're going to use that wire diagram. Starting from this side, we got the brown stripe, green, blue stripe, blue, green stripe, solid gold color, and the stripey. So we got the boot in, and now we crimp. And now we crimped.